Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to give you a small introduction about Hopcob app. Okay, so you can see 5 icons below: discover, feed, add, connect and portfolio. Okay, in portfolio section we have two options: bio and DAX. You can create a bio in Hopcob with some basic information. Okay, name, about. Also in bio section you can link your different social accounts by saving your social account links. You can just copy paste link here and just click on save, so that will be linked with your bio. In DAX section you can create DAX with different categories according to your requirement. I have created few DAX, you can clearly see, and you can also create any DAC by choosing some profile picture of DAC, name of DAC, about and category. Okay, and the DAC will be private or public, you can choose it. So just give some example about DAC. So this DAC I have created new mobile technology. Okay, so there's options like photos, video, link and list. I have uploaded few photos from gallery and also curated photos. I have some linked some important YouTube links curated from YouTube, which is useful for me, that can be represent my new mobile technology DAC. I have curated some link also here. Okay, some good information, relevant information, which is also related to my DAC. And I can create a list. For example, I want to make a list of top 10 or top 5 you can say laptops. Okay, just top 10 laptops here. Okay, and I can add items just like HP and Acer, anything, something like that, you can see. Okay, and okay, here. So I can add photo by clicking on this add photo. I can add photo by I can click photo directly from camera. Okay, or open a gallery. Same thing like a video. Okay, I can add video with the help of gallery. I can upload from gallery. I can make video directly by using camera, and also I can link videos like YouTube and other website which gives you the video options. Okay, I can add a links of website, articles, blogs, anything which is actually help me to give information and related to my DAC. Okay, so I just come out from DAC. In connect option you can chat, connect with your contact, and also share any content, anything, okay, in the chat option. And the good thing in chat option that you can create a room here. Okay, add room like for example fun, so that will be differentiate from your general chats, and if which is not relevant from your general chat, that it will goes to your fun section, and you can create up to 5 rooms here. Okay, in add section you can add photo, videos, create photo videos. You can copy paste link, add link from of website and other articles, anything. You can make a top list, and this write something will be coming soon. We will update this thing, so you can write by yourself. You can write anything, any blog article, whatever you want to write it, and save in your DAC. In feed you can see many contents. Okay, people have created a DAX, and DAC people have curated and uploaded many content that can be visible here in feed section. Okay, if you just click on particular feed, particular content here, just for example I'll click on this thing. Okay, so that link will be open. Okay, you can like and you can directly go to the deck where this content belongs. Okay, here is the content, right? Okay, so in discover section you can search any user. Okay, one thing is very interesting. If you, for example, if you are just searching any uh, any good information about any article, okay, so you can curate, you can share this link via Hopcop. Okay, the link is there. Add something, select deck, which deck you want to save. Okay, and that will be saved to your deck, right? Yeah, link added. Great, like this. Okay, that will be visible to everyone and come to your feed section, will update on your feed section. Also we know that in WhatsApp we can, yeah, we are getting good information in groups and individual chats, so you can just share any content, any link, and via Hopcop, and that will also you can save on your decks. Okay, choose a deck, for example photography, and the content will be public. Next. Okay, that is added. So many type of applications or content you can use Hopcop, that will really helpful to you. Okay, thanks a lot.